Hey, Jason here from JCR Cars. Just uploaded a brand new drive up to the Zauchensee ski resort, this time in the 328. The Testarossa still not back from their mechanic, hopefully this week. This is one of my favorite drives, definitely a real driver's road. Sometimes you'll see me on the left side of the road or the opposite side when it's safe because there is a fair bit of frost heave and you have to really watch the potholes. Plus there are cows on this road, believe it or not, and you really have to take it easy. You never quite know what's gonna be around the corner. Using the DJI Mic too this time so the sound is proper. Enjoy the drive.